How to delete your Cash App account. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you through the process in order to do so. So first of all, let's just head over and open up the Cash App on our device. And before you can close your account, you need to have $0 balance. So you can tap on this dollar balance and make it zero. And once you make it zero, you will be finding a bank icon. Tap the bank icon on the bottom left of the home screen to cash out any remaining funds and just go ahead and do so. Once you do so, you can tap on the profile icon in the top right corner, and from here scroll down and look out for the support option and go ahead and tap on it. Now here in the support menu, you would be seeing a search bar. You can directly look out for close account into the search bar. You can just go ahead and select the option that says close your Cash App account from the search results, and there you will be finding account settings. Look out for that and find the option to close your Cash App account. And once you do so, you will be seeing a message explaining that your account will be closed. You can just go ahead and confirm it to permanently delete your account. And once confirmed, your cash tag will be deactivated and you will be signed out of all of the sessions. And that's it. So that is it for today's video. If you'd like to delete your Cash App account as well, you may head over and follow up these steps. So I hope this information was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.